channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147. And I've got another little piece of subscriber mail. So this one turned up shortly after I had opened the others. So it gets a video all on its own. And I would like to say thank you to Diana, who has sent me this. So let's have a little look-see at what we have inside. Okay, so we have an empty pack. Oh, so she says, hello sweet Rebecca. Here are the drills and a little extra gift for you. Love your videos and I'm enjoying the Facebook group immensely. That is so sweet. Look, that's printed out and everything. How cute is that? Okay, so let's have a look. Oh, we've got gorgeous tissue paper wrap in here. Oh, so we have, oh, that's pretty. So we have a little hair grip, a little gift with little pink diamonds. And then, oh, we have 3787. And if she labels like me, it says EM, which is every moment, which means they're very likely to be very nice drills. Thank you ever so much, Diana. Oh, that is sparkly. That is pretty sparkly. So yes, thank you so much for the gift and thank you so much for the diamonds. I will be putting these to very good use. They look gorgeous, diamonds. These baggies are really nice. She sent it to me in a grip seal bag, but it's like the poshest grip seal bag I've ever seen in my life. They're nice. I like them. It's really thick. It's a lot thicker. I mean, the ones that we tend to get in kits are really, really thin. These ones I've got from eBay, which were cheap and nice. You know, they're a lot stronger and very durable, but these are the next level. I like them. Makes me want to try and find some just because they're so gorgeous. But yeah, anyway, I digress on a grip seal bag. But yeah, thank you ever so much, Diana. They will come in very, very handy with my Heaven and Earth designs, which I am going to keep up as much as I can and video as much as I can for you guys. And that is a gorgeous hair grip. Very pretty. Sparkly as well, which is always good for us diamond painters. So thank you so much for watching for that quick one, and I will speak to you all again soon.